Scenes, fabulous scenes. This seems like a roundabout. See. Anyways, we are headed to that mirror again in front of that mirror, right? See this, guys. MashaAllah. Here we go once again. Last time we came here a few months back, couple months back, and here we are again. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Zee, such wonderful scenes. We are so blessed to be experiencing all this, and I'm really happy I'm able to show you people these scenes as well. And there's Masjid Quba in the mirror, and then there's Masjid Quba in actual. See, it looks so beautiful. So guys, there's Quba Mosque over there, and we were in front of Coffee Matics, but we are trying to see if we can find another good coffee place. We are gonna walk around. This is Ana al Madinah. Ana Uhib al Madinah. That's I love Medina. That's not Ana al Madinah. Ana al Madinah is a different shop. It's like a bakery. There's a children's destination. There's Clue Bakery over there. Zahir, idhar aa yaar. So there's even more places over on that side. In the night, this would be such a lovely place. So all these shops, these are in order and line. We are gonna show you the scenes over there. कोई नहीं, उधर दिखाते हैं, इधर आ जाए. There's even shops over here as well. But what I want to show you is this greenery over here. Wait a second, everyone. Let me show you. Have a look at this, guys. See, this is a track. And Nadeem Sahab, kaisa hai track? A track between the date palms. Wonderful, guys. So guys, we are in Coffee Matics right now. So this is what I got. This is what Zahir got. And for Nadeem, we ordered one hot chocolate. And he's angry on us. So guys, now we are going to the parking, and then we'll be going to the Jabal Uhud viewpoint, inshallah.